Hi, Raphael Bernal. Oh, Mr. Bernal.
Yeah.
Hi. So you want a jury trial, is that correct?
Shit, I was off the lives.
Yes. Here's my question. Legally, I'm not supposed to hear what plea negotiations y'all have made. Legally, those are supposed to be confidential.
Right.
So I'm going to wash my brain of what you just said. So my only question for you is, are you reaching an agreement with the state, or do you want a jury trial? That's either yes, I want a jury trial, or no, I don't want a jury trial. All right, here's the thing. We've been here on this train before. So the train stopped. Do you want to? If you want a jury trial, I will give you a jury trial. Well, do you have money for a jury trial? All right, then that's where we are. This is your time.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to represent yourself?
No, you can hire me another team.
No.
Judge, respectfully, I'm sorry. Can you speak up for a second?
What in here? No. She just said, they don't think you because you don't have money. I don't have money, I need another attorney.
Oh, let me
I'm not
stop.
the attorney.
Oh, no. Just like that. Let me ask you this. Doctor, are you appointed on the train? All right, you're appointed. So what that means is that the government, state of Texas, the taxpayers, she can't afford an attorney, has this attorney appointed to represent you.
Right.
So this is your attorney. If you want another, if you want another attorney, then you need to hire one.
How?
Here's the hard truth most defendants don't realize. You don't get to shop for appointed attorneys. If you can't afford one, the court assigns one. And unless there's a serious conflict or incompetence, you don't get a do-over. Frustration isn't legal grounds. This is where emotion crashes into procedure.
I have no idea. All right.
You don't have no idea.
But can I ask this as a case?
I'm telling
May
you
I
now.
come forward and try to represent him? He has,
No. Yeah, you will find me another lawyer.
I think he's upset, and it's possible that I mentioned before, he does, he's very knowledgeable. He knows a lot of the law, it's old law. I've tried to update him on some of the laws on some of the charges that he has had in the past, the charge we're talking about today, which is burglary guilty. I explained the difference.
The time I was here before. No, I need to explain.
So what I would like to do right now,
Hey, you're going to the building, it was dismissed. And now it's on repeated.
Let me ask you something, Mr. Bernal.
Yes.
You Raphael Bernal?
Yes.
What do you want
To say it.
No, what do you want to say? We're here to listen because you keep interrupting your counsel. So nobody's going to say anything. I'm going to let you speak. What is it that you want me to know?
Or did you not hear?
I didn't hear any of it.
Why not? Nobody heard.
No, they did not.
You didn't hear.
No, they said they did not. So what is it you want to know?
Judge, can we have a second, please? I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. Sometimes, counsel, I understand where you're off. But sometimes when people don't get their way, they behave childlike, which is fine. So I just what
For you, hold on, there.
counsel, well, you assume that. Counsel,
You got it, so.
counsel, here's what's going to end up happening. You're going to go to jury trial. You will be his attorney. If he doesn't want to take your advice or listen to you, then he doesn't take your advice or listen to you. But
Notice what's happening here. He feels like everyone is against him. Prosecutor? Against him. Defense attorney? Against him. Judge? Against him. But in reality, the defense attorney's job is to protect him from the system. The tension you're hearing? That's mistrust colliding with reality. And that rarely ends well for a defendant.
People need to realize that when you're appointed, people need to realize that when you're at you're appointed as
You're working against me. You're working against me. The attorney is working against me. And you're not listening to me. Everybody hears me. Hey, look, now I got go. Yeah, you don't need to do that.
And just like that, courtroom whiplash. We pivot to an entirely different defendant in a probation revocation. This is how fast criminal court moves. 1 minute, it's a jury demand meltdown. The next, someone's freedom hangs on a single missed report to probation.
First calling 2023 CR 11027A, State versus Victor Javier Escobar. Can I have parties announced?
You can ask that for the design.
And are you Victor Javier Escobar?
Sure.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with an Attorney?
Sure.
Did you understand it? Are you the same Victor Javier Escobar who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 11027A for the offense of burglary of a building on January 3rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
All right, state.
Violation Commission number 4, Eagle County Council, 2018 Javier Escobar. The defendant failed to report to the supervision officer on Saturday, month of March 2024. Violation Commission number 4.
How do you plead, true or not true?
We will work with them to remain violations.
Any objection? Thank you, Judge. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court would find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, can you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
When he says true, that's the equivalent of admitting the violation. And here's the key difference from a trial. The standard is lower. The judge doesn't need proof beyond a reasonable doubt, just a preponderance of the evidence. In simple terms, more likely than not, one missed probation report can trigger a felony conviction instantly.
No. Do you still want to see? Is your plea true? All right, so here's the thing. You may have an agreement with the state and everything, so the court doesn't have to follow whatever agreement that you've reached. Do you understand? Because probation is a contract with the court. It's not a contract with your attorney or the contract with the state. Do you understand? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Or is your honor the agreement not go in line with probation's recommendation, but we are recommending you grant the exception, which we keep citing, for asking for assumptions of 12.4A, 100 days, verification.
All right. Are you asking me to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right. Probation, was there any restitution owed to the complainant, Andrew Fraught? All right. The court will follow your agreement, find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There should be no contact with Andrew Fraught, F-R-A-U-G-H. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I understand that this is the easy way out for you because you do your time, you're done. But now you have a conviction on your record. It's a felony. If you pick up another charge, depending on the level of felony it is, this may be used for purposes of enhancement. So this is going to follow you around wherever you go. You understand?
This is the part people overlook. The 180 days? That's temporary. The felony conviction? That's permanent. Enhancement laws mean the next charge, even years from now, can carry heavier penalties because of this moment right here. So while this might feel like the easy way out, it's a decision that follows you long after the jail doors open.